Welcome to our podcast. I am Primus, and you are listening to Behind the Scenes at Octavius Reviews. We hope that you enjoy our broadcast and think of us kindly. For a glossary of terms and nomenclature, please see the description. Also, check our site for more detailed information on the games and for links to the demos, as a convenience, of course. Thank you for listening.
Welcome back to Behind the Scenes at Octavius Reviews, and this is Episode 9. Today, we are staging a necessary intervention for a genre currently dominating the Steam storefront, the spatial grid tactics game and card battler. Audiences seem to operate under the delusion that a deck of cards or a tiled board offers maximum strategic freedom. I assume it feels liberating because you have countless options blinking on your screen, but mathematically, it is the most tightly controlled space in software design. Primus, before we get into the ledger, we need to establish the baseline. People keep asking why deterministic systems matter, why we treat grid architecture like it's the backbone of mechanical truth. It's simple. When you constrain player agency to a two-dimensional board, you eliminate noise. Every state transition becomes observable. Every permutation is accountable. That is the environment where systems reveal themselves.
You're saying the grid is the last place where simulation can't hide?
Exactly. No physics middleware, no unpredictable animation curves, no emergent chaos pretending to be depth. Just pure state management. And if we're going to audit modern strategy and roguelike systems, we need that clarity. Deterministic scaffolding is the only way to expose the architecture.
And it keeps us honest. We've both seen what happens when a live service patch drops, and suddenly half your analysis dissolves. But the titles we're looking at today aren't shifting under us. Their launch executables are stable. The facts are fixed.
Which is why this is the work I live for. Clean architecture, deterministic logic, systems that actually want to be understood. So, let's begin. We start with the most structurally ambitious title on the list, Mugenics. February 10th, 2026. Developed by Edmund McMillan and Tyler Glale. Built on the proprietary Glale game engine, a custom engine lineage originating in 2010. No commercial middleware, no off-the-shelf physics stack. Just a purpose-built framework designed to handle tactical simulation and large trait arrays.
And this is where I get to contribute something meaningful. People keep trying to classify Mugenics as a card battler because they see turn-based combat and assume deck mechanics. But that's not what's happening. There are no cards, no deck building, no card-driven loops, no card-based resource economy. The entire structure is built on grid-based combat, genetic inheritance, class mutations, and long-form campaign progression.
Correct. And the genetic system is the centerpiece. Every cat carries traits, mutations, and class modifiers that interact across generations. Strength, agility, temperament, special abilities, environmental resistances, all of it stored, all of it propagated, all of it resolved deterministically. The engine tracks these arrays with precision. You're not dealing with flavor text. You're dealing with inheritable mechanical properties.
And the campaign length is documented at over 200 hours. That's structural scale. You don't build a 200-hour tactical life sim unless your engine can handle massive state arrays without collapsing.
Exactly. Mugenics demonstrates how a custom engine can prioritize state integrity over graphical fidelity. No volumetric rendering, no physics matrices, just pure data. It proves that mechanical ambition doesn't require visual spectacle. It requires architectural discipline. Now contrast that with Slay the Spire 2. March 5th, 2026. Megacrit made a decisive move, abandoning Unity entirely and rebuilding the sequel on the open-source Godot engine. That's not a cosmetic shift. That's a foundational re-architecture.
And it paid off. On day one of early access, the game reached verified peaks well above 170,000 concurrent players. That's not just popularity, that's stability under load.
Godot's scene tree architecture is the key. Every combat state, every card interaction, every relic effect is validated instantly. No hidden thread contention, no unpredictable garbage collection spikes. The executable remains stable even when the community is hammering it with high-frequency inputs.
And even when early balance patches caused friction, The underlying executable didn't buckle. The framework held.
Because Godot is clean. It doesn't hide inefficiencies behind visual noise. If your logic is sloppy, Godot exposes it. If your state transitions are inefficient, Godot makes them visible. Slay the Spire 2 is a perfect demonstration of how engine choice directly influences mechanical clarity. Now we move to dead weight. This one fascinates me because it embraces minimalism with surgical precision. Spatial puzzle mechanics reminiscent of Into the Breach, but with a twist. Enemy intent is fully transparent before you commit to a move.
And your deck determines your ship's movement vector across a fixed grid. It's a clever inversion. Instead of cards representing attacks or abilities, they represent motion. You're not building a damage engine, you're building a navigation algorithm.
Precisely. And the framework is lightweight by design. No heavy rendering overhead, no bloated asset pipelines, just clean 2D logic. Every tile interaction, every movement vector, every enemy intent line is resolved deterministically.
And that transparency is what makes the system elegant. You see exactly what will happen before you act. No hidden modifiers, no concealed randomness, just pure spatial geometry.
Deadweight proves that minimalism is not a limitation, it's a strategy. When you remove unnecessary complexity, you reveal the underlying logic. That's what makes this title mechanically honest. Finally, Moonsigil Atlas, a fusion of card drafting and physical inventory puzzle design. You're not just selecting cards, you're placing geometric card shapes onto a fixed board to trigger synergies.
And that's where the interface load becomes interesting. The game has to constantly check drag-and-drop collision detection while simultaneously processing card math. That's a lot of UI work happening in parallel.
Exactly. And that's where we observe measurable friction. Minor frame pacing stutters, not catastrophic but noticeable. It's a sign that the interface layer is working harder than the core logic. The engine is stable, but the UI is carrying a heavy load.
It's a good reminder that even in 2D, interface density can create pressure points.
And that's why Moonsigil Atlas is a valuable case study. It shows how hybrid systems, part card game, part spatial puzzle, can strain the interface layer even when the underlying engine is solid.
So what we're seeing across all 4 titles is a spectrum of architectural choices. Custom engines, open source engines, lightweight frameworks, hybrid systems. All of them revealing their strengths and weaknesses through deterministic design.
Because the data does not lie. A game doesn't need high-fidelity graphics to achieve mechanical clarity. Strip away the visual noise, and optimization flaws have nowhere to hide. Deterministic systems expose everything, good and bad.
And that's why we audit them.
Exactly. Clean code, clean logic, clean truth. That's the standard. And as long as developers keep building systems that want to be understood, we'll be here to dissect them.
The sun it rise and the moon it glow. In the light of truth we reap what we sow. Them life is but the roots them grow. Truth shall be told, the world must know. Truth are the fire that burn the light. Rise up the spirit, let the truth fly. Them can't hide it, no matter how them try. Truth shall be told till the day me die. Babylon a build them castle on sand, but the ocean a wash it back to land. The seeds of wisdom them can understand. Truth are the power, the lion are the man. Babylon a build them castle on sand, but the ocean a wash it back to land. The seeds of wisdom them can understand. Truth are the power, the lion are the man. Truth are the fire that burn the light. Rise up the spirit, let the truth fly. Them chains of deception can't hold me fast. Truth shall